Regulating your nervous system is extremely difficult to do these days, but it's also extremely important. I'm going to talk about the 3 top superfoods that I can think of. They're going to help to do that right away, that you can find in my that you can find in our Terra blend over on the website. The first one I'm going to talk about is prepared Rehmannia. Now, this is the root of a shrub that is prepared in a certain way with black beans that enzymatically unlocks a really magical, potent herb. This one is going to really get in there to your kidneys and your adrenal glands and fortify them and make them gold again. The next one I want to talk about is a little-known herb called Shilajit, which is actually a mineral pitch that oozes from the cracks in the Himalayan mountains in the hot summer months. And this one has a wide array of minerals, humic acid, fulvic acid. This is going to go in kind of like a magic potion and just like really revitalize your entire system. The last one I'm going to talk about is Reishi mushroom. Now, this one has been known for thousands and thousands of years. It's arguably one of the most well-known herbs on the planet. And this one is such a potent immunomodulator. So this is going to really help to balance your immune system if it's too high or if it's too low. When your immune system is optimally performing, then your nervous system is going to fall into line. And we've made it ridiculously easy for you to do this. We've got all 3 of these herbs in our Terra formula that's available over on the website. Drop the bag. Subscribe to get all the latest updates and head over to the website for even more information about all these herbs. Peace.